Introducing AirPods Max. A perfect balance of exhilarating high-fidelity audio and the effortless magic of AirPods. The ultimate personal listening experience is here. Design radically original composition. The over-ear headphone has been completely reimagined, from cushion to canopy. AirPods Max are designed for an uncompromising fit that creates the optimal acoustic seal for many different head shapes, fully immersing you in every sound. The canopy spanning the headband is made from a breathable knit mesh, distributing weight to reduce on-head pressure. The stainless steel frame is wrapped with a soft-to-the-touch material for a remarkable combination of strength, flexibility, and comfort. Telescoping arms smoothly extend and stay where you set them for a consistent fit and seal. The beautifully anodized aluminum cups feature a revolutionary mechanism that allows each cup to rotate independently and balance pressure. A custom-designed mesh textile wraps the ear cushions to provide pillow-like softness while listening. Crafted with acoustically engineered memory foam, the ear cushions gently create an immersive seal that is the foundation of incredible sound. The digital crown lets you precisely control volume, skip between tracks, answer phone calls, and activate Siri. 5 colors, anything but monotone: blue, pink, green, gray, and silver. Audio quality sounds like an epiphany. AirPods Max combine high-fidelity audio with industry-leading active noise cancellation to deliver an unparalleled listening experience. Each part of their custom-built driver works to produce sound with ultra-low distortion across the audible range, from deep, rich bass to accurate mids and crisp, clean highs. You'll hear every note with a new sense of clarity. Immersive listening to cancel unwanted external sound. AirPods Max use a total of 6 outward-facing microphones to detect noise in your environment, and 2 inward-facing microphones to measure what you're hearing. Hear every detail. The Apple-designed dynamic driver produces a wide frequency range that uncovers the rich details of every sound, delivering your favorite songs with previously unheard texture and accuracy. Distortionless playback modeled after those in high-end floor-standing speakers. The driver's dual neodymium ring magnet motor minimizes total harmonic distortion across the entire audible range. The result is consistently clear playback, even at full volume. Computational audio, key to performance. With a powerful Apple-designed H1 chip in each cup, our custom acoustic design, and advanced software, AirPods Max use computational audio to create a breakthrough listening experience. By tapping into each chip's 10 audio cores, computational audio helps block outside noise, adapts audio to the fit and seal of your ear cushions, and makes movie scenes sound like they're happening all around you. Industry-leading active noise cancellation counters external sound with equal anti-noise, allowing you to immerse yourself in what you're listening to. Press the noise control button to switch to transparency mode, which lets outside sound in so you can interact naturally with your surroundings. Adaptive EQ tailors sound to the bespoke fit and seal created by the ear cushions. Inward-facing microphones measure what you're hearing, then adjust the frequencies of your music to deliver a rich, consistent experience that faithfully reproduces every note. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking gives you a theater-like experience for movies and shows with sound that surrounds you, using built-in gyroscopes and accelerometers. AirPods Max and your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV track the subtle motion of your head, anchoring sounds to your device. And with Apple Music, personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking places sound all around you to create a 3-dimensional listening experience. Magical experience, elaborately simple. AirPods Max inherit all of the wireless, effortless magic of the AirPods family. From setup to Siri commands, they make the listening experience completely fluid, day to day, device to device. One tap setup. AirPods Max connect immediately to your iPhone or iPad to pair. Simply place AirPods Max near your device and tap connect on your screen. Seamless switching, seamlessly move between your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV to if you're playing music on your Mac and take a call on your iPhone. AirPods Max will automatically switch over. Audio sharing. Easily share an audio stream between two sets of AirPods on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, or Apple TV. Bring any AirPods near the device you're listening to and connect in a tap. 20 hours of listening, movie watching, or talk time with active noise cancellation and spatial audio enabled. Simply charge via Lightning connector. A quick 5-minute charge delivers 1.5 hours of listening. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.